Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, I am going to discuss about installations, Node, how to install Node.js. So now check, I am going to use, this is the link of the Node.js. Even you can type in Google node install, just click on the website which is nodejs.org slash download something. So I'm here, I am using right now Mac machine, and so you, if you're using window machine, you can select window installation and source, and if you have any kind of machine, so you can operating system you can select from here. Even you can select from the Linux if you have. And so I have already installed Node.js. I will show you. Just if you know, if your system had not installed Node.js, just click on the installer. Okay, so now I'm going to show in my terminal. You can check my, this is my terminal. I'm going to show you node. So you can check here, I have already installed, which is a 12.16.2. okay, so if you want to check anything like this is supported or not something, so I'm going to use 20 plus 20, which result will be 40 approx. So I got the result of the 40. So it's mean in my operating system Node.js already installed. Okay, so some features in Node.js you can check which is similar to Javascript. I am showing here, I'm let you showing something. So now I'm going to show you something here, and here are some features which is like window dot alert. This feature is basically browser. So this is a browser environment. So I'm going to show you here. Alert is hello programmer. Yes, we got the result here, and also we can type here console dot log, which is hello programmer, hello programmer. I got here result as a hello programmer. Okay, so we can check. And one more thing, suppose I have document which is all data are we are checking here, we are loaded using document. So I am going to type something here, document.query selector, sorry, query selector. Inside of query selector I'm going to type here as body dot style, body dot style dot background color, background color equal to blue. I want to blue color. So you can check, we got the blue color in all body color. So even this is the basically browser side environment I am showing you. And if you want to check something in also in command, so you can check something which is a node module. So I am going to show you something in Node.js. okay, so now I am inside of the node module. So I can type here as a global kind of in you can compare as JavaScript is window. So we got the some result in here. okay, even if you want something which inside of the JavaScript, which is a document, so in Node.js is a process. This is a process is compared, we can compare with the process like documents. So in Node.js everything inside of the process. So like if you have any want to setting for the environment, you can check everything is a process. This is version something, showing which kind of versioning you can check is a v8. And so all kind of installations related to everything, so which are the node module you can check here. okay, so hope so you understand. And and even I will explain you in next series everything's about the Node.js. Like you can check this is the environment basically. Okay, so even you can check this is a user, this is my username in my which I have given in my machine. So you can check here Siddharth Sukla. So I'm using everything inside of the my node module, and also I'm going to show you next video, next series. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.